Remember to have breakfast every day, every morning. It's very important to our health. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene. So today our video is about 5 minutes quick makeup about the fall. You know, fall season is my favorite season. It's all about harvest. So I would like to create a 5 minutes quick makeup.
So for me, before the makeup, I'll use a lip balm to nourish my lip, which could refine and repair our lip wrinkle. It's really good for lip. We must treat the lip as well as our skin.
Next is my foundation. I personally like the Kosas foundation. It is relatively blended with my skin. I only need a very small amount of foundation to cover my entire face.
In the meantime, I love to use a wet powerproof to pat the foundation into my skin, and it works really well. You guys have to try. Just a few minutes later, you will get a nice skin.
Yeah, just I want to say something truth from my heart. This is my first time to do the makeup tutorial. Actually, I'm super nervous, but I really want to introduce this makeup. It's very easy, quick, and effective for makeup. As an office lady, I cannot waste any time on makeup.
Time is money. Hope you guys love this video.
Then I'll cover a thin setting powder to make my skin matte. I always use a brand from Korea, cheap, and the effect on face is very nice. From the video, you can see my face is very dewy. To be honest, I don't love the heavy foundation. I don't love the heavy makeup. Transparent makeup is my favorite. If you are interested in Korean makeup brand and want to know more, I'd like to introduce more in the future if you like it.
Now I'm using Benefit Hola as eyeshadow base and nose shadow.
I think it's an old popular product, so if you have it, please use it again. Trust me, it's a very good product. Well, you can see my gesture is not professional. Well, I'm always not good on gesture. But it's okay, just a day quick makeup. This eyeshadow palette is my favorite. I got from a boutique. Oh my god, when I got it, it's really a full eyeshadow palette. Every color is beautiful, especially the golden sequins. I'll show you later. Yeah, it's this one. Just a deep feel. Your eyes will be shine like a diamond. I forgot to say I didn't use concealer because I love to show a little bit defect on my face, like wrinkle, freckle, acne, all is okay. Nobody is perfect as a porcelain. Accept and love ourselves. Now I'm using my best friend for my eyebrows. I have recommended this product to a lot of my friends. How come Kosas create such a good eyebrow pen for news as me who is not good at pen eyebrows? Yeah, you can see my gesture is really bad. Thank you, Kosas. You saved my life. And you saved my eyebrows. I know I'm not very famous. Yeah, honestly, I'm not famous. But I highly recommend this product to everyone. 突然觉得这样的自己还是很可爱的。Now I'm using Muji eyelash color. I think it's a good product for travel. It's very small. Now I'm using my mascara. This is a Japanese brand. It's very good. I used this brand mascara for several years. It's always good on my eyes. I always purchase it in Japan, and I don't understand it. There's not too many Japanese makeup brand in US. I don't know why. Here is the last third step. I'm using blush on my face. I love this color. And finally, I use a contour. Yes, it's still Hola on my face. Now I think my gesture is a little bit professional, especially to doing the contour on my face. In Chinese, it's called 嘟嘴. In English, should be pout. Now you can see the difference between two sides are very visible. Now we are in the last step, lipstick. I use two different brands. This one is called Fox from Marie. It's a sample I got from Sephora, although it's a very small patch, it can use for a long time I think. Now I'm using the lipstick from Red Chamber. I love this color very much. It's very fall season color. Then my makeup is almost done. Hope you guys love it and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
What are you doing tonight? Oh, baby, 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 yeah. What are you doing tonight?